kira dah almost give up lah masa tu. I only had one last try. Something before my concept. I can actually impact lives. You know,
from just this transaction.
Dia kat rumah dia ada strum di gitar, so I was singing along with him. So that was one of the memorable thing. Okay bang, ni kita nak kena kira rombak balik rumah ni. First of all kita nak bersihkan rumah dia. Bersihkan. I help him. Alhamdulillah, my wife has been very supportive since day one. Actually, if not for her, I wouldn't be in this industry.
Assalamualaikum guys, you are tuning to Yalah Frekuensi, hosted by Kazairul Abdullah,
Rafiq Ramlan,
and one and only Razan Rahman. Subscribe, follow, and share to our YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Spotify. Sorry.
Don't forget to comment, share. Ni apa, feedback. We need your feedbacks. Comment guys, comment. And tolonglah tu subscribe tu kat YouTube. Tekan je. Senang.
Memang senang tekan je.
Betul tak?
Okay guys, hari ni bersama kita, previous episode kita ada Eja Hatana Hadi. Sekarang ni kita ada Fazli. Fazli adalah mentor kepada Hadi.
Betul. Okay, boleh perkenalkan diri Tuan Fazli?
Assalamualaikum. First and foremost, aku nak ucapkan terima kasih pada Yalah Frequencies for having us today, and also for Saiful for linking us up with Yalah Frequency. This is our first time experience lah in a proper podcast setting. Alhamdulillah, very cool.
Alhamdulillah, thank you.
So tell me about myself.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, I've been in this industry for about coming to 6 years now.
6 years
So previously I was in the oil and gas industry for
oil and gas juga.
Sama dengan Hadi.
Kita ni semua gangs lah.
Boleh jadi Eja Hatana.
The same path. So kita met in poly.
Okay.
So we studied chemical engineering. So after that, kita macam fated lah. We happen to be together. Lepas during poly kita kerja part time sama-sama. Coffee bean, warehouse assistant, semua sama-sama.
BFF ni.
Tangkis lah.
Tangkis. So we've been together for the longest time. He's my closest friend lah. So even lepas ORD, lepas NS pun kita kerja full time sama-sama in the oil and gas same company. Then now here we are in this real estate industry lah.
Cuba tanya.
Mana tu?
Mana?
Dekat mana tu oil and gas?
Boleh cakap Veritas Petroleum Services.
VPS.
Tahu
Tak pasal kita tengah buat servis kat sana.
Servis apa misi?
Pest control.
Pest control.
Daripada Dr. Pest dulu.
So I was a lab supervisor there lah. So that was my last post in that company. So started from lab technician. Together with Saiful also. Same company.
Sama-sama ni.
Sama. So along the way, kira the minat started to change lah. So along the way, kira macam at the point of time I just got married. Okay, masa tu that was 2017, 2018 lah. Okay, so how I got into this industry, masa tu masa kita bertunang tu, we didn't apply for BTO. Okay, because waiting time, correct. So lepas kita berumah tangga, we stayed at my in-laws place for a good 1 year. Lepas tu I was telling my wife, cannot wait really lah. We have to get a resale flat lah. We have to be at our own home.
Lagi comfortable lah.
Privacy.
So the irony back then when I purchased my first home, matrimonial home, I didn't engage an agent. Itu irony dia lah. So I DIY. Tapi DIY ni kira I did my due diligence. I baca what are the processes, what are the laws, rules and regulations. Kira-kira dia macam mana. So along the way when we build houses kan, so minat dia jadi came to me. When I see how agents were, how they did their work, dia macam some sort of gave me the inspiration lah. So the house that I bought ni is a resale house lah dekat Sengkang. So this agent was actually guiding us lah, what's the process like, what's the calculation like. Very nice agent. So that inspired me lah, macam even though you never represent us, you still help us.
Oh, okay.
Jadi I want to be like him. So that's when I told my wife, I feel like taking the license. So that was in 2018. So so pakai SkillsFuture je, fully paid.
Government's fun.
Aku tak pernah pakai. Masalah ni.
Silapnya.
I utilize the SkillsFuture. Lepas tu ada some NTUC punya, some deductions lah, some discounts here and there. End up never pay anything. So I mean, like, why not? It's risk free. So I just sit for the course. Back then, masa tu sebelum COVID. So ada physical class. Every day lepas, almost every day lepas kerja, I have to attend the class, physical class. Ngantuk-ngantuk orang pergi sampai malam. Balik pukul 10, 11 pagi malam lah.
Kena membuahkan hasil lah.
So that is the main struggle Tadi pun Hadi ada cakap pasal doing the RES kan. Susah payah buat That's the main struggle lah.
How long is the course?
Okay, course dia ada two types. Satu is the crash course, kira you can finish the course in one week habis. So but mine, because I'm working full time back then, I did the course macam kira tak rapat-rapat lah. Macam seminggu 2 kali, sekali 2 kali gitulah. So I finish the course in about 3 months I think.
3 months
kira tak rush lah. Tak rush lah.
On pace lah.
Ni soalan yang sama macam tadi kita tanya. Berapa kali baru pass ni?
Okay, for me, dia ada 2 paper kan. So the first try I pass one of the papers. Second, lepas tu when you fail the other one, you have to retake only that paper yang you fail lah. Second try, third try baru pass. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, third try. So imagine my first son, dia berumur berapa bulan sampai dia dah meningkat 1-2 tahun. So that's how long I took to almost 2 years old lah dia. So that's how long it took me to get the license lah. It's not easy. It's not easy.
Aku pernah dengar juga, it's not easy tau untuk ambil ni license.
Aku pun pernah dengar yang only a certain percentage out of the whole classroom yang akan pass lah selalunya.
There's a rumours that diorang pakai bell curve lah, but how true is it?
Oh, it's still
We don't know.
Aku rasa kalau aku ambil kan, bebal loh, 5 tahun mungkin tak sampai.
Aku rasa
tak pas-pas.
Tak payah ambil je.
So So you know what is the most difficult thing about the exam? Dia tiap-tiap tahun ataupun tiap-tiap cohort, dia punya soalan dia berbeza-beza.
Oh, so kau tak lecit lah.
You cannot macam expect apa soalan yang dia akan tanya, because they totally different. They will ask different thing. And also paper yang you buat tu, yang question paper tu, you tak boleh simpan buat balik for reference. You dah buat question tu, you kena kasih balik. Jadi all the course provider yang conduct the courses, dia tak ada macam one-to-one referencing.
Yelah.
Dia boleh based on apa tau, based on my experience lah. Dia tanya the students, what are the questions being asked. So from there, they formulate the kira macam 10-year series lah questions. So that's the difficult part lah. That's a challenge lah.
Kira bila part ambil exam tu, dia test tu, kira orang tak ada bilang kau tak boleh tanya semua lah. Dia tak akan kasih info lah.
You mean during the exam?
During the exam.
Of course lah. I mean, during the exam kita tak tahu what is being tested. Banyak-banyak topik, berpuluh-puluh topik tu. Kita have to know basically every single thing. So bila you duduk dekat exam, you buka, kalau you ingat, selamat lah.
Yalah, kalau tak ingat, mau tengok langit lah.
Time PSLE pun tak boleh tanya cikgu tu.
Pasal apa?
Aku tak tahu exam mana dia ambil tanya cikgu.
Tak ada, pasal aku pun pergi course juga. Tapi course aku semua boleh tanya.
Itu lain
Lepas
course.
tu aku cakap kau, cuma jangan macam ni kan. Macam teringat PSLE dengan N-level tak payah siul.
Yeah, it's not an open book lah. That is the struggle of the agent to take the exam lah. It's every time bertukar. And then kau betul-betul kena pakai pure knowledge lah untuk pass the exam lah.
Correct. It's scenario based. Dia bukan macam what is the definition of this. It's not as straightforward as that. Dia tanya macam first question yang dia kasih kau one full scenario. Lepas tu how do you link that scenario to the the topic lah. You must know that topic and apply. So it's application based questions.
Aku teringat tu, what of the hierarchy of engineering control semua.
That
tak
elimination
masuk elimination semua.
Substitution semua. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, kita go to the questions yang kita memang nak tanya ni. Adakah pengalaman yang sedih lah, the situation yang sedih
Atau dia yang kau ingat lah,
Okay.
terpahat di hati?
Terpahat di hati of course ada. This is one of my first few cases lah that I took when I just joined the industry. Dia kes cerai lah. Dia selalu kes cerai, dia ada kes dia sendiri. So basically I was engaged by this abang in his mid 40s or 50s lah. I can't remember. That was about 5 years ago. He was dia dah bercerai dah quite some time ago. So court order tu dah suruh dia jual lah rumah, habis nak kena ikut court order tu, nak kena jual rumah tu in the open market. So basically when he engaged me, I came to his house. When I step in, rumah dia tak terurus. Macam kira rumah
Tonggang langgang lah.
langgang lah. Kira macam orang cakap tonggang pecah.
Tonggang pecah.
Oh yes.
Tonggang pecah.
Macam baju semua bersepah. Rumah tu very berpasir gitulah. Macam jalan, habis dekat toilet ada lumut-lumut.
Oh,
Very bad condition lah.
ni macam jalan kat dalam hutan lah. Ada pasir, ada lumut.
Yeah, it was very bad. So masa tu I was still new in the industry. In my head, sana aku nak jual rumah ni. Yeah, so abang tu pun macam, at the point of time when I look at him, he seemed very depressed. Macam boleh nampak lah, kita boleh tahu orang tu
Dan
macam mana.
tengah proses cerai
Yeah.
ya.
So dia ada anak, so probably kehilangan anak. So dia tinggal seorang kat rumah tu. Rumah is a 4-room flat. It's a 4-room flat lah. Okay, so basically when I step in rumah macam itu, so masa tu I tak tahu apa nak buat. So I was thinking, how am I supposed to sell So pakai apa knowledge yang experience yang I ada, I just okay bang, ni kita nak kena kira rombak balik rumah ni. First of all, kita nak kena bersihkan rumah dia. Bersihkan. I help him.
Okay.
I help him bersihkan, sentat semua.
Dahsyat ni abang.
So that's why I cannot forget that case.
Amal jariah tu ni.
Betul.
So I still remember I helped him to clean, sapu semua, make sure everything is clean, spray semua, minyak wangi semua, all the air freshener. Lepas tu barang-barang yang mana tak pakai buang-buang. Kira we declutter lah the house. Dia cakap we declutter. Lepas tu I did a bit of staging of the house. I put kira meja makan taruh macam pasu bunga sikit-sikit.
Kasi
Kasi
cantik
dapat
lah.
cantik lah.
Kasi orang tengok
Ya, ni nak taruh apa? Macam air freshener every sudut of the house lah. I put air freshener. So kira bila masuk kira macam wow, macam it's a different feeling. So basically after all that had been done, I actually started to market the house. Hari ni market, besok sold.
Wah.
Cepat
Cepat. Oh.
Yeah, so when I show the abang, this is your the photos of your house. Dia tengok, are you sure this is my house?
Oh, dia pun tak
Oh,
percaya.
so dia tak tinggal situ lah?
Dia tinggal situ. Dia tinggal situ, tapi when I took the photo from different angle, dia jadi lain.
Nampak lagi
Nampak lain.
memuaskan lah.
Kira macam you sebagai pembeli, bila you tengok macam itu, macam wow, macam aku nak view rumah ni.
Sedap mata memandang lah.
Memandang. So not only that, bila you masuk pun bau wangi. So it's that experience that I create for the potential
Itu important lah.
Yalah, macam kau masuk hotel lobby lawa, wangi.
Nasib baik tak ada bellboy.
Sebab orang cakap people buy with their eyes.
Betul.
Apa yang diorang nampak lah.
Senses lah, the
The
senses.
senses. So apa yang diorang nampak, diorang suka, that's when will affect their decision, buying decision lah. So basically,
Supporting
so basically apa yang touchingnya, abang tu semenjak the house was option, dia became more ceria.
Alhamdulillah.
So I started to befriend him lah. Kira berbual dengan dia macam, abang adik. He even, and along the way I came to know that he's a musician.
Oh.
Musician.
Dia main music. Dia kerja sebagai chef.
Okay.
Tapi at the same time he's playing music also. So dia satu kali tu dekat rumah dia, dia strum the guitar. So I was singing along with him. So that was one of the memorable thing lah. So abang tu dah kira dah mula ceria balik. So that's one something that touched me. Macam I can actually impact lives,
From just this
Yeah.
transaction
Dia tak macam kadang orang tu mungkin dia lonely for quite some time. Lepas tu ada orang, which is me, came by, befriend him, talk to him, we joke, we laugh. Then I don't know, maybe that could have
Impact lah dia.
ceria dia balik.
Ini
so,
bukan pasal transaction ni tu, macam
it impact the life.
impact tu.
So guys, ni Ejen Hartanah kerja bukan setakat jual beli guys. Dia ada this emotional attachment tau.
correct. Yeah. So along the way, alhamdulillah, it was a pure selling. The case was done in matters of few months lah. So everything was smooth sailing, alhamdulillah. Abang tu pun dah ada rumah dia sendiri, which I helped him to buy also lah, sell and buy. So alhamdulillah dia dah settle down, dah happy sekarang, happy ever after. Still in touch with him. Once in a while ask him apa khabar semua.
Masih in contact lah.
Masih in contact.
Dia dapat ubahkan dia punya apa, emotion semua tau. Kau bukan servis untuk ambil servis untuk rumah je tau. Dia boleh
attachment.
Boleh bring up semangat. Mungkin dapat jumpa Fazli kan, dia lebih semangat.
Kan dia bukan kerja aku ini je. He go beyond that.
Beyond, yes. That is the thing that we see rarely nowadays. But this to go beyond ni memang I respect that lah.
Of course we try our best to help our clients, not only in the real estate matters lah, but we try, to be their friends. Kira listening ears. Kadang-kadang ada orang nak curhat.
Betul. Tak tahu siapa
So probably I was the listening ear. So alhamdulillah. So abang tu pun along the way pun dia sampai dah date someone along the way.
Dapat jumpa.
Ada orang baru lah. Ada orang baru. So alhamdulillah, I saw the 360 change in him. That really touched me lah. Macam how it's just a simple process of selling can change someone's change someone
impact,
lah. Correct.
Actually nak tanya, bila part dia dia sedih, depresi semua, then dia how dia find out about you?
Okay, so basically dia concurrently I was selling a flat dekat Bukit Panjang lah. So abang ni pun datang view.
Dia datang view juga.
Kira nak beli rumah lah. But back then when I met him, I didn't know his backstory lah. So because for me, every potential buyer, I will find out more about their requirement. What are their needs? Rumah dah jual belum? Because for me as an agent representing seller, I nak kena tahu buyer tu punya background macam mana. Dia dah jual belum rumah dia? Dia tak boleh terjual main beli je. Lepas tu rumah tak terjual. So I need to know all this. So when I found out that dia ada rumah belum jual, then that's why I offered lah. Offer him lah, okay abang, you need my service or not? No, I can help you navigate through the sale. You tak boleh beli dulu, you nak kena jual dulu.
Actually dia pergi viewing tu dia tak tahu apa-apa. Dia setakat pergi je lah.
Dia pergi without any knowledge of how the process works.
Faham?
So jadi in for corporate experience kan, ada tak macam ada yang you encounter some of your agent-agent lain kan, yang macam dia nak jual rumah ni, tapi dia tahu macam you find out about the background, but kalau macam orang tu buat macam just suruh orang tu sell juga, do you macam cakap asal kau tak tanya dia background dulu semua apa? Kau pernah encounter with your among ada agent tak, bukan your within your company itself lah, ada agent?
Ada juga, but tak banyak. Macam contoh orang tu is a bankrupt. Bankrupt. Bankruptcy ni you tak boleh beli. Bukan you tak boleh beli, you boleh beli rumah. Kalau below 500,000 you can buy, no problem. Tapi above 500,000, I think you have to inform your official signing something like that lah. So all these things. And sometimes ada orang yang macam belum ada loan approve, dah pergi cek rumah.
So dia tak tahu dia amount of loan berapa kan.
Correct.
So dia ada buying power.
CPF cukup ke tak. So all these nitty-gritty details lah. So all these nak kena find out more about our potential buyers.
So all the potential buyer or seller need to be transparent lah with all of this. Tak mau sembunyi nanti susah, tak smooth.
Correct. Yes.
So how do you, have you ever imagined tak? Because kita dapat tahu yang you are the top achiever.
InsyaAllah.
5 times HDB record breaking transaction.
InsyaAllah.
So pernah tak you terimagine, and how is it easy or achievable to get this recognition?
Well, actually to be honest, all this award and yang kita dapat ni semua is actually purely about sales. It's all about sales. You clock berapa that particular month, itulah you akan dapat position berapa. They rank lah according to your skills pada particular month lah. So nak cakap achievable, yes, it's achievable. Anybody can do it. Okay, tapi to me, award ni semua is like a statement. It's a statement that you are constantly on the ground, serving the community. You are familiar about what's going on in the current market. So to me, so I look at all these awards as such. Macam this is like a statement. Aku aktif. Aku aktif. So it is like it's like a credibility juga lah. So when someone want to engage me, at least I can show them that I'm actually active. Yeah.
Korang ada soalan apa-apa, tanya top achiever ni.
Wah. Bukan
calang-calang tau ni.
Tu pun sama.
Itu pun aku ada tengok juga. Last year aku ada skodeng lah. Dia macam March dia jadi sales manager. Lepas tu December aku tengok dia macam ADD. Bukan ADD. Dia apa? Sales director.
Dahsyat orang ni.
Alhamdulillah.
Tapi bila Pak kau nak dapat this achievement ni kan, what do you sacrifice actually? Time ke apa ke?
Yeah, of course, in this line of work, time is uncertain. Kita pagi, petang, siang, malam, client call, we just attend to our clients. Even I pernah go consultation late at night sampai balik 2-3 pagi.
Aku baru nak tanya tau. Paling lambat orang kacau kau sampai pukul berapa?
Ya, 3 pagi saya. Aku orang message aku buat bodoh saya 2-3 pagi.
Ya, tapi so tu ada juga. Of course weekend kadang-kadang kena sacrifice family time. So all these sacrifices is normally orang tak nampak lah. All the hours that we put in. Rain or shine, we still be present for our clients.
Aku ada soalan lah since kau cakap pasal time. Dulu kau punya previous job was a lab supervisor. Bila kau transition to this real estate agent kan, what is the challenges that you face?
You mean in terms of time or
overall
anything?
Lah. Overall.
So challenges, okay. Being a self-employed, as you all know, you ada client, ada gaji. Tak ada client, tak ada gaji. So it's more like a business. You ada customer, you dapat your duit lah. Tak ada, then gigit jari. So we have to be constantly on our toes to prospect. Back then kita tahu kita makan gaji every month. Kita buat kerja tak buat kerja, duit masuk. So that's the difference lah. And of course masa tu back then I work 9 hours a day. Saturday alternate. So Sunday off day. Biasa, typical.
Fix.
So tapi the beauty thing about being self-employed, you are in control of your time. So to me, I love my job currently because I get to spend most of my time with my family. I get to send my parents to clinics, to bring them for breakfast. I get to fetch my kids from school. So these are all little things that I really appreciate and I really treasure. And it's a blessing, alhamdulillah for me lah personally to be working as a real estate agent. So all this time that money cannot buy lah.
Betul.
So I'm really happy, very grateful. I get to see my kids grow up. So don't talk about commission. I prefer to spend time with my family and to treasure every single moment.
Family is important. So how you divide your time, masa untuk keluarga dengan anak-anak and achieving all this. Banyak ni.
You mean divide masa dengan isteri pertama dengan kedua ke macam mana?
Itu
kalau ada nak bilang ke?
Tadi kau cakap apa?
Aku cakap jangan kahwin dua kat Singapore.
Okay.
Aku cakap kat Singapore.
Singapore.
Masih lagi.
Masihkah kau ingat? Okay, terbalik pada ni. How you divide your time lah with your family and achieving all this?
So basically for my weekly basis, I will have Monday. For me currently Monday is my off day. Kira I don't do anything melainkan perlu je lah. So I don't go out for viewings or appointments. I will set other days. So that's how I allocate one day for my family. Okay, non-negotiable. So but on that day when I'm at home, of course I will do my paperwork lah. All the submissions, so on and so forth. But this day I will take this time to spend time with my family lah. So this is non-negotiable. Yeah. So other days I will do my work.
Kan Monday kau jangan pegang aku kan. Cerita
Yeah. So some my clients tahu, oh besok kau off day okay, tak apa-apa, hari lain. So people know Monday is my off day. So but of course I'm not that rigid lah. Kadang-kadang perlu then I have to go. Yeah. Yes. So bagi masa ni kira of course it's not easy.
Definitely.
It's not easy. A lot of things you nak kena jaga your family time, you nak kena prospect, you nak kena handle all the work, all the groundworks. But things need to be done lah. Kalau you tak bergerak, then of course tak jadi lah.
Gigit jari lah.
Gigit jari lah.
So nak tanya, kau punya divided time ni semua kan, how's your wife punya reaction?
Wife yang mana?
Okay, satu ke dua.
Aku takut juga ni.
Masih sorry nanti dia nampak.
Tak ada.
Tidur luar lagi.
Bagus orangnya. Ya, nanti kau join Razan tau, kena tidur luar.
Sampai lupa apa soalan.
How is she with yang kau punya time yang tak tentu, kena keluar malam ni semua?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, my wife has been very supportive since day one. Actually, if not for her, I wouldn't be in this industry. Sebab apa tahu? Masa tu, when I failed the exam kan, masa tu, dah kira macam putus harapan. Because nak belajar dia memang susah.
Betul.
Susah, not easy. Kira berpage-page lah, nak kena hafal, nak kena go through all. Hafal all.
Mestilah.
Kalau boleh rendam minum air tu dah buat tu
Kalau boleh buat.
Dapat buku-buku saya minum.
Yeah, so I was kira dah almost give up lah masa tu. I only had one last try je before my course expiry. This why ada expiry 2 years. 2 years. Yeah, the course expiry is 2 years. And dalam 1 tahun tu exam slot dia tak banyak. Dalam mungkin 2-3 kali.
Faham.
So I only left with one chance. I told my wife I don't want to do anymore. I'm so tired. So my wife cakap, you already came to this far. Dah spend money, spend time, pergi course semua, gedebak-gedebuk, dah spend money on the exams. Exam paper kena bayar. So you dah spend money, so why not just give your last shot lah.
Ikan dia dah macam cheerleading kat belakang Kau imagine tu.
Go fast. Cayo. Tapi alhamdulillah after your lastnya push
Last push tu aku kira all out lah. Masa tu aku block leave 1 week. Bos aku tanya, where you going? No, just stay at home.
Need to study
You don't need to know lah.
Yeah, so aku block 1 minggu just to study. Aku perak kat bilik just to study every single day. Kira one last shot lah kata orang.
Lepas tu terus boom, sukses.
Terus sampai 5 kali achiever.
Record breaking tau. Aku dengar 2026 pun adanya record breaking.
Banyak juga.
Boleh ceritakan
tu kan, share sikit.
kat mana? And what's the transaction like?
Yes.
The recent one was at Sumang Lane. It's a 5-room flat. I sold about 60,000 above the previous transaction. The last transaction that was transacted.
Wow.
Yeah, for that particular block and neighborhood.
60,000. Banyak.
Oi, senyum lebar sampai belakang lah.
Ini macam tadi aku cakap diikat tau.
Yeah, client alhamdulillah dia happy, satisfied.
Of course lah happy. Kalau tak happy aku tak tahu nak cakap. Tak pandai bersyukur.
Apa magic ni? Ada ramuan dia tak?
Ramuan dia is just
keikhlasan
to negotiate the best price possible. So that's why you need an agent, you know.
Yes.
Contact lah Fazli.
Jangan pandai-pandai nak buat sendiri.
Mana tahu dapat lagi 60.
DIY.
Yeah. So our job bukan setakat angkat call, letak call, buat paperwork. It's not only that lah. So a lot of things that goes on behind the scenes yang orang tak nampak. So all these things are what we do as real estate agents. Bukan setakat paperwork je.
Bukan setakat nak cepat-cepat settle deal. Okay, chop untuk dapatkan numbers tu.
Yalah, diorang bukan kejarkan duit je. Diorang
aku tahu ada yang buat macam tu.
Mesti ada lah.
Biasa orang
It's a job.
So ada tak klien yang mencabar, menduga kesabaran?
Ada.
Banyak.
Okay lah. To be fair tak banyak lah.
Tak banyak.
Alhamdulillah, my client circle of client semua baik-baik belaka.
Well behave lah.
Alhamdulillah.
Well behave. Alhamdulillah.
Sebab tengok orang ni baik.
Very understanding. Tapi ada satu dua ni lah. Dia macam biasa, is an elderly couple lah.
Okay.
Okay, story about them. Diorang engage me. Kita dah tengah-tengah jalan tau. Okay, diorang beli rumah.
Okay.
They negotiated sendiri.
Oh, okay.
Okay, rumah tu berharga 1.1 plus million lah. It's a HDB flat.
Wow.
1.9 million.
Million.
Nak sebut pun susah tau.
Ya, jadi dia dah negotiate sendiri. Lepas tu dah option semua, baru dia nak engage agent. So when I look at the past transactions, hey, you're buying actually 20-30,000 more than what is being transacted. Kira dia buying above the what they're supposed to pay lah. Had they engaged me right from the start, imagine the amount of savings they could.
20-30k tau.
Yeah. So anyway, things done already.
Oh tu apa? What type of flat?
It's a DBSS. It's a 4 room.
DBSS.
4 room DBSS dekat Toa Payoh.
Jangan cakap tu tempat.
Patutlah.
Ya, so rumah tu memang mahal lah.
Yalah.
Mahal.
Toa Payoh.
Ya, jadi I came halfway. So and then they were not easy to handle because dorang ni very very kancong lah. So tanya every now and then nak kena tanya every detail. I mean I don't mind, cuma kadang-kadang it can be disruptive kalau macam it's in the middle of the night. You nak tanya, you call non-stop.
Yalah.
Yeah.
Ikan itu time juga dia nak tanya.
Yeah, and also of course maki amun ni semua jalan terus lah.
Uish, ni bang kita lah bukan lah.
Tak payah cakap lah
Dia cakap I think that one nanti kena blip lah.
Aku part gini aku dah angry.
Memang. Tapi abang kita masih steady.
Itu lah.
Professional.
Susah tau.
So I mean okay, that was an experience for me because tak pernah came across such macam perangai. Tapi kita telan juga we tried to be professional about it. Kita tak kira macam kita tak macam apa kata orang, macam dia maki kita maki dia balik. Macam gitu lah. We try to be professional. At the end of the day, I see them as an elderly couple yang perlukan pertolongan, perlukan bantuan. They need guidance. So they are just an elderly couple. Like I treat them as like my parents lah. My parents macam lost their way. So I just guide them.
Faham lah Diorang tengah frust.
Yeah.
Sebab tak ambil mula-mula. Then I think along the way dia dah trap.
Correct. Actually something happened from the start, from between them and the seller. So that's why when you deal directly with the seller directly, this tend to be something negative lah kadang-kadang.
Dah tak ada experience pun. So
Betul.
engage lah.
Sebab itu korang harus engage. Hadi and Fazli and Hadi.
Apa punca actually dia maki-maki kau pasal you are helping them kira halfway apa?
Okay, so along the way ada some hiccups lah. Of course it's not due to our fault. It's the some problem with the between them and the owner. So like I mentioned tadi, dia ada some kira arguments from the start. Jadi along the way dia macam ada some hiccup. Dia ni tak nak kasih muka, dia nak kasih muka because kadang-kadang okay, you have to understand selling and buying ni you nak kena liaise with the homeowners. Macam nak kena view rumah, contoh you nak bawa datang ID to view the house for recce, site recce, kena minta izin tuan rumah, homeowner dulu because it's not your home yet, right? Minta izin, then the other party tak benarkan. Jadi all these little things yang that cause unhappiness lah.
The tension build up lah.
Tension build up along the way. So kita kena tempias lah.
Yalah. So memang dah kerjaya as a service line kan. So dah kena maki, telan dia lah.
Tak, aku maki lepas letak telefon.
Cuma dia tak dengar je lah.
Lepaskan lah.
Harus apa?
Alah, kalau dia tank semua mesti nak kena keluarkan pun.
Takkan ambil mesti nak kena empty out apa?
Kena van lah.
Nak kena van. PSV tu dah pop
Dah
lah.
pop lah, dah meletup lah.
Jadi korang ada soalan personal untuk tanya?
Personal.
Personal. So okay, from what we talk even with Hadi, you know, normally cerai in a case will be a bit complicated kan.
Yeah.
With emotional semua kan. So bila cerai kan, like Hadi experience is the both party tak nak communicate. Kau pernah ada that kind of experience tak?
Of course. Ada. It's very common.
Oh, it's very common.
Very common. Of course, it depends. Kalau kita dapat case yang husband and wife still in talking terms, tu senang lah. Senang. Tapi kalau husband and wife not in talking terms, they still in kira tak nak tengok each other, itu susah. Because homeowner ni dia ada rumah ni ada 2 owners. Nak kena dapatkan 2 signatures, all this. Satu nak kena endorse, husband and wife nak kena both side dengan endorse lah. So a lot of things that kadang-kadang tak boleh kira sepakat lah. Macam they cannot get along. So there's a challenge there for handling such cases.
Yalah. So like both party need to agree kan, like selling price kan. Habis kalau satu nak lebih, satu nak kurang.
Correct. Yes.
Jadi isu
ada juga husband ambil ejen lain, wife ambil ejen lain. Tapi selling one unit.
So gitu agent dengan agent berbual lah.
Correct.
Okay.
Aku baru nak tanya tu.
Yes.
Leceh juga kan. Kau
Leceh.
dah atas tangan saya, dah berapa orang saya kau nak berbual.
Kira to me is redundant, tapi it's necessary kadang-kadang. If let's say betul-betul tak boleh jumpa each other lah. So ni represent ni represent ni. Macam so agent kira work together lah.
Oh, ejen yang kena kerja sama-sama lah.
Correct. Selling one house.
Jadi tu macam mana tu? 50-50 lah.
Profit dia itu pun soalan juga.
Itu depends on the negotiation with the
how they want to pay lah.
Tapi most of the time it's 50-50 lah.
Okay, kau ada advice on how if orang yang teringin nak menjual rumah?
Okay, so jual rumah ni, jual beli rumah ni is not easy. It's a very complex process, especially HDB, where there are a lot of rules and regulations yang nak kena ikut. A lot of blind spots kadang-kadang yang orang tak tahu. Okay, so before you nak jual, you have to of course consult. Kalau boleh lah consult yang ejen yang bertauliah lah. Ya, ejen buat kira-kira dulu your keuntungan, your rugi semua, and most importantly lepas you jual tu next house apa? What's next for you? And kalau nak jual tu, what's the reason? Is it you nak upgrade or is it you want asset progression? So that you must have your main objective why you are selling.
Yalah, so it's easy for you guys to help lah. Pasal kalau kau ada objektif kau bilang, then kau orang boleh find the right way to help them lah.
Yeah, but some came of course ada yang came to us without a clear goal or objective. Then that's when we come in and suggest to them. We propose based on their kira numbers that we see lah, their numbers, their income, CPF sebagainya lah, all this. So we will propose to them what are their kira feasible options that they can take. Yeah, so this is where we come in to give a sound advice to homeowners. Yeah.
Okay. Jadi nak tanya, jadi kalau siapa-siapa lah, kalau in doubt ke atau macam terfikir nak jual rumah tapi belum ada ada kemahuan dulu, tapi nak tanya-tanya je, boleh kan?
Of course,
just
boleh.
give all a call, right?
No obligation. It's free of charge. You can just contact us. Ada number apa?
Okay, pada sesiapa yang ingin menanya or inquiry, you can hubungilah Fazli di 9199 0479 9199 0479 or Hadi at 8328 7887 8328 7887. Banyak lapan lah ni.
Ni agent yang kita berbual ni, Fazli dengan Hadi, they are both very enthusiastic. Diorang bukan sekadar jual beli dia. Diorang akan go an extra mile to help you guys.
Semampu boleh diorang untuk menolong korang settle segala masalah.
InsyaAllah.
So contact lah mereka.
Walaupun apa nak tanya-tanya ke apa, just give them a call je.
Yes, no problem. Anytime, 24/7.
Nanti expecting my call.
Janganlah pagi-pagi betul expecting my call
Tak adalah, aku cakap aku nak call pagi-pagi je.
Jangan. Pagi
agak-agak
office hour okey lah.
Ni diorang pun manusia, diorang pun berkeluarga, diorang pun have their own time. Kena pandai lah, jangan you know, dia orang memang service line lah. So you guys don't
Agak-agak lah.
tak payah maki hamun semua, boleh berbual baik-baik ah. Simpan sikit emotional tu.
Kau stres kau payah pasal lah kan. Kau jangan vent dekat dorang. Dorang bukan punching bag.
Betul.
Okay. Alright. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Subscribe tu. Jangan lupa. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.